Spirulina groundnut chickpea, developed by Mysuru-based Central Food Technological Research Institute (CFTRI). It can provide micronutrients and boost immunity of people during this time of pandemic. Spirulina is a biomass of cyanobacteria, blue-green algae that can be consumed by humans and animals. COVID Kavach ELISA, developed by National Institute of Virology, Pune. It is India's first indigenous antibody-based ELISA test kit for diagnosis of novel coronavirus. It can test around 90 samples in approximately 2.5 hours. The technology has been transferred to pharmaceutical manufacturing companies for mass scale production. Defense Research Ultraviolet Sanitizer (DRUVS), developed by Hyderabad-based research center Imarat RCI, a DRDO lab. It is an automated contact lens UVC sanitization cabinet. It has been designed to sanitize mobile phones, iPads, laptops, currency notes, check leaves, challans, passbooks, papers, envelopes, etc. CSIR approves project to develop HMA apps that have neutralized SARS-CoV-2 in patients. Approved by CSIR through its new Millennium Indian Technology Leadership Initiative NMITLI program, the project aims to generate HMABs to SARS-CoV-2 from convalescent phase of COVID-19 patients and select high affinity and neutralizing antibodies. The project also aims to anticipate future adaptation of the virus and generate HMABs clones that can neutralize the mutated virus so that could be readily used for combating future SARS-CoV infections. The project will be aims implemented by National Center for Cell Science NCCS, IIT Indore and Predomics Technologies Private Limited with Bharat Biotech International Limited BBIL as a commercialization partner. Swasth Vayu National Aerospace Laboratories NAL Bangalore has developed BIPAP ventilator named Swasth Vayu. It is non-invasive breathing support device for the use of non-critical non-ICU cases of COVID-19. BIPAP stands for bilevel positive airway pressure. It is a type of positive pressure ventilator.